Hi, I'm Ophelia.
I'm Samuel, and this is my avatar, Joe.
I'm Harrison, and this is Fishler.
My name is Maya, and I made this avatar. It's called Miki, and it can walk on water.
Hi, my name's Eva, and this thing here is a cat called Casey.
My character's name is Stingerella, and her power is...
My name is Evie, and my avatar's name is Evelyn at the moment.
And I got Chad that's called Bratty Ratty Fatty.
And has this really, really strong magnetic force which pulls out all of the plastic out of the sea.
He eats all the plastic in the sea, then when it comes out his mouth, it becomes into more fish.
She's a scuba diver, and she tries to find endangered species and zap the rubbish out of creatures, because the pollution in the water, many creatures swallow the plastics and get really ill, so she can zap it out of them so they can be healthy again.
So it goes around and it eats all the rubbish, but then if it sees you littering, then it will eat you as well. And that's why it's so fat. It just eats people and rubbish. He retracts plastic and rubbish in the sea, and if there's any plastic on the animals, he retracts them and takes off the plastic and sets them free again.
This cat is magnetic and can eat plastic. It picks up magnetic stuff. It can float and sink with a controller.